Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is Nursing Foundation for Nurses and today we are going to discuss about nursing as a profession. To call it as a profession, it requires a special knowledge, skill and profession. Definitely a nursing job it called as a profession because it has got its own advanced knowledge, skill and professional trains. People are well trained in this field so that they can able to meet the need of a society. Then the criteria of this profession it is to provide the social services to meet the need of a society. Then it has got its advanced knowledge, advanced body of knowledge, skill training and practices. Also, it protect the members of particular group that they are belongs to a unit, so they all behave in a right way. Their code of conduct, code of ethics is practice. That's what comes in this nursing profession. Then the characteristic of nursing profession. The characteristic of nursing profession is specialized education, autonomy, code of ethics, body of knowledge, service orientation and ongoing research. Now, specialized education, that means nursing required a specialized education. The person one who is trained under nursing profession, they require to learn many things. They require to learn certain skills and certain procedures so that they're able to meet the need of a needy people. They're able to meet the need of a particular society. Autonomy, it has got its own responsibility. The behavior of nurses that will be trained and they are able to take the responsibility of their job. They don't do it for the just namesake or for a sake of job. They are not doing their profession. They are working with certain motto so that they are able to achieve the goal. They are ready to serve the society with kind of humbleness and humanity. They are working for the people. The next function is nursing. They used in a research, ongoing research. That means nursing profession, the member of nursing profession, they involve themselves in a research activity so that we are able to identify the new method, new technology, how that can be used, how that can be useful for the general public. That all done with the help of ongoing research projects. Body of knowledge. Nursing profession has got its own body of knowledge. In its own field, it will enhance the knowledge of an individual, one who comes under this training program. They has to learn many things and enhance their knowledge level. So, nursing profession has got its own body of knowledge. Next, service orientation. When we work under nursing profession, it is the people, the nurses, those who are working here, they are ready to serve the people. They are ready to serve the humankind, mankind. Whatever the need of that particular society or requirement of that particular society, people are ready to provide those services to them. Code of ethics. Here, a professional behavior is controlled. Like those who work in this profession, they are following certain code of ethics. Professional behaviors as followed. It's not just like other profession that they can behave and they can talk anyhow and whatever they want. It's not that. So everybody's behavior is streamlined. So they all follow the code of ethics. So these all are the important characteristics of nursing as a profession. Then nursing here, professional qualities of a nurses. The professional qualities of a nurses, they must have certain degrees. The one who is work under this nursing profession, they should acquire certain degrees, like they can have diploma degree like diploma general nursing, GNM, or BSc degree program, so that they will be a bachelor degrees. They can do a PCBSc, PG like MSc nursing, or PhD doctorate. These all they can do. So they require to have a professional degree qualification, and they must be a physically and mentally fit. A person one who wants to work in this nursing profession, they need to be physically fit. That means they should not have any physical challenges as well as any physical diseases because of that which they are not able to cope with their profession. as well as mental health is required so that they will be mentally healthy, because we need to deal with the human beings. We are not dealing with the machines which don't have any kind of emotions, but we are dealing with the human beings with a lot of emotions. Now you need to able to adjust with all these emotions and work along with these patients and patient families. That's the reason one who work in this nursing profession, they need to have good mental health. Then they must have a license to practice. If you want to work, you must acquire your certificates that must be registered, and you must have a license to practice. Without that, you are not able to work in this profession. Next, a role of a professional nurse. What all are the role of a professional nurse? Like she should be a caregiver, teacher, counselor, advocate, client advocate, manager, and researcher. Now, caregiver means one who provide the care to a patient. She need to understand the requirement of a patient and provide the services as per that. She need to understand the requirement of family and a society and provide the services. She should have that service oriented mentality. Teacher, she will be a good teacher, educate the patient regarding the disease conditions, explain about their lifestyles, regarding the medication, any manipulation if you want to do. These all things can be taught very well to a patient. Only the nurse can do that. She will be a counselor. That means not only a physical services whatever required, she need to provide the psychological services also. That means provide psychological support, understand the emotion of a patient, be with the patient. Instead of showing a sympathy, she need to able to provide empathy to the patient, help the patient and family to ventilate their pent up emotions. So she will be there with the patient and patient family as a counselor. Client advocate, she will take a responsibility of a patient, like she respect the patient rights, she work for the patient, so that she also concerned about the patient safety, or physical and psychological privacy will be provided to the patient. Nurse manager, here nurse make a right decision for a patient. She will take a on time right prompt decision for the patient. She will meet the right resource person so that her patient will get the right nursing care. So these all are the important responsibility of a professional nurse. So I would like to list out some of the responsibilities of a graduate nurse. Almost it comes a similar. So just let me read out. The responsibility of a graduate nurse is caregiver, communicator, teacher, patient advocate, client change leader, manager, and also she will be a counselor. So this is almost a similar kind of responsibilities. You can write in your own words now. I hope you understood. We wrote about nurse as a profession. So you need to write about what is profession, criteria for profession, characteristic of a profession, nursing profession, and role of a professional nurse and role of a graduate nurse. I hope you understood. Thank you and see you in the next class.